May vlog din po kayo, te?
Ay, hindi po, hindi po.
Mula kami sa vlog.
Okay. Say hi na lang.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
At nga pala mga gumagawa dito sa Rainforest.
Bye! Tatlo? Ang dami naman. Hello guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Look.
So today pupunta kami sa Rave Park. Rave Park, Rainforest Park here in Pasig. Itatry namin kung ano ba, kung maganda or worth it bang puntahan. So yeah.
And I have that. I'm gonna bring her with me because she is waterproof.
Okay.
So if I get her wet, it's okay.
Parang ito lang yung pinakamalapit na park dito. So hindi pa namin napuntahan. So i-try namin ngayon.
But
Hopefully hindi uulan kasi mukhang okay naman yung weather. Hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong mainit pero mukhang uulan kasi very
the
What? Yeah, it's a train.
train.
What the heck? Anong babayaran
What's
yan?
the train have to pay?
Ito yung cashier. Hi, good morning. May entrance po. Wala. Okay. Thank you. Come on, let's go.
Wait, so you can go here for free?
Yes. So here we are. What can we see? Here's the map. Payment area. What's this?
Playland. I want to go there later. Wow, there's a pool area.
Butterfly.
Oh, Mommy, can we please go to the butterfly house? And the maze garden. And the kiddie playland. Flower garden. I'm so excited. I love all of those stuff. I just hope that I don't want any butterflies on me though.
So what's this? It's a train.
The train. It
Train.
looks creepy.
Is it working?
No.
Do we have to ride?
Look at that clown.
Um,
That's so creepy. To be honest. You cannot tell me that it's not
so
creepy.
it's a train station.
There's where I saw that. I saw that on Google.
It's a floating lagoon, a maze, water park.
Amazing. Boating.
Maybe you can do the train station later. What do you want to go first? Let's have a walk first, okay?
Okay. The first place I want to go to is the butterfly.
So, again.
Lego!
Who's the character? What's the name of the character?
I don't know.
You know?
I don't know. I don't even know anything.
So here,
Hi, dinosaur.
masarap maglakad kasi
Another Lego.
another Lego. Oh, meron ding isa doon. Pero ano, missing yung head niya.
What happened to its head? Did it get executed from the queen?
So here, ang ganda na. See, it's good to walk.
I really like this place. Oh, I saw something. Raise a maze.
What's this? Can we go there? Is it open? Parang ang creepy naman. Is it open? I think it's closed. Ay,
May ticket po kayo.
ay, kailangan may ticket. Okay.
Where do we buy tickets?
I think, sa entrance po ba yun? Okay, come on. Let's go and buy.
We have to buy tickets.
So, may ticket pala. Let's go buy ticket. parang ang creepy naman nun. So, yeah. Sabi ni Ate Guard, walang ticket. Yun pala meron. So, we have to go back and buy.
I thought that we could go here for free.
You can come in for free just to walk. But
Walk
if you...
for free, but if you want to go to places like what you're supposed to do, you have to pay.
Yeah. So, we have to close the vlog first.
Because they don't want to be on cab. They would be cab. I'm never cab shy. There must be a train.
So, there's a train track. There's a train track.
And my mom's standing on it.
And I'm standing on it because I didn't know. Look at that. Ang laking what's that? Ang laking
Creepy.
crocodile. Oli ka na, let's go to the maze.
Oh no, I'm so scared. What if this goes?
I think it's mostly walking. But yeah, it's a nice park in the middle of Pasig City.
In the middle.
So, ayan. Hello po kuya. Dito ulit kami. Meron na po.
Amazing.
It's a maze.
Pero na lang.
Ay, Ama, can you give the ticket to kuya? Yes. But you still have to take it back, okay? Yan. Ticket yung Halika na. Thank you po. So here.
Okay. Are we allowed
Let's
to go
find the
there?
maze to go out.
Are we allowed to go? No.
The maze. Medyo nababayaan na ng konti.
Oh, I see her.
What's that?
Look over there. She's staring at us. Creepy. I'm gonna go here.
You go there, I'll go here. Saan na yung putol yung it's another Lego there. I don't wanna walk in the mud. My shoes will get dirty.
She's wearing white.
Here. Or can we...
I think I found the outlet.
Ito maze niya eh, maybe.
Dad. Get started.
That's why we need to walk faster.
Like run.
Yeah. I think that one they're gonna follow you.
There.
Oh, what's that? Look at that. There's a lot of...
Look what I found.
I know. What's
Let's
that?
go up.
It's a tower. You wanna go upstairs? Careful, you watch your steps. Okay, quickly.
I'm scared. Echo.
Okay, let's see what's up there. Come on.
Ew, what's that?
Be careful because it's wet. Let's check what's upstairs there.
This was a bad idea going to the base. Woo!
So yun lang.
Nothing.
What are these? These are the cards, yeah?
Bye, mommy.
Yeah, it's good. To look at the sky.
I'm leaving. Come on, let's go.
Okay. So ayaw niya na. Gusto niya na bumaba. Yeah. Okay, go. Actually, it's malawak siya.
Malawa?
Yeah.
What's that?
You need to go down na. It's huge. The maze. It's worth it. 10 pesos that you pay.
The way out because there was too much flies and butterflies like everywhere. So we didn't do it.
It's Kidiland.
No, it's not
Maybe for your station. I think they're renovating it.
a kitty.
There's It's not open yet. They give you what? What's this? Ano to? What's this? Big ano? Dinosaur. Here. Here's the flower thingy.
Uy, Bermuda grass.
Vlog din po kayo, te? Vlog
Ay,
din
hindi po,
kayo?
hindi po.
Sama mo lang kami sa vlog.
Say hi na lang.
Hi, vlog. At nga pala mga gumagawa dito sa Rainforest.
Bye! Tatlo? Ang dami naman. Dapat paliw. Ayun lang.
Make a wish for happiness for me with your coin. Give me a coin. Give me a coin.
Make a wish. What's that? Let me take a picture first. Make a wish. Make a wish for happiness.
This is not happy.
What's then?
Look inside it.
You can just put a coin. Do you have a coin?
No.
I don't have a coin.
It's a tadpole.
Tadpole?
This is bigger than this two tadpoles.
I think it's ano, hindi pa nag-work. So, it's huge.
4 tadpoles.
Okay, come on.
There's 3 tadpoles in this nest. Okay, I'm gonna make a wish.
Okay, what's your wish? Okay, she's making a wish. I'm gonna make a video. So, meron din silang ganito. Maybe in the future,
No wish.
will open. It's a farm.
I gotta go to a water
Kids
park.
and Thoughts activity area.
Kids and toys activity area. Let's go. Zoo. This is zoo. I love zoo. Why are there tadpoles in there though?
I don't know.
Those 4 tadpoles are living
Maybe
in...
that's their pet.
Another tadpole.
Where?
Another one. Look at that. You see it? There's so much. There's like a million. How many frogs are here to make that much tadpoles? Are those actually tadpoles? I think they're trying to make some frogs as their pets. Oh, that's the activity. No.
Activity area. Oh, there's a cat.
Where? Oh, cute. Ew.
So it's huge then. You can put your sunglasses so you don't get there. Oh, my cat's there. Hi, cat. Hi, cat. Bakit? I don't have food to give to you. Wala akong food, guys. Ano yung laro? May nagpa-practice din. Come on, let's go find the kiddie area. The flower garden. May nagpa-practice ng sayaw. Or I don't know. What kind of activity are they doing there?
Therefore, my rating right now is a 3 out of 10.
Why 3 out of 10?
There's
Oh, there's another cat.
No, mommy, don't. Oh, they're gonna get annoyed.
Where's the kiddie? Flower kiddie area. Oh, here. It's so nice here.
It's over there. That's the same place we went.
Emma, no, it's different.
I'm sweating so much.
Okay, you can sit down there if you want.
Ew! No. Adventure Park.
Where's Adventure Park? Ano daw to? Flower fields. I think here's the flower fields, Emma. Where are you going? Emma, that's close. I think, I don't know when are they going to. Kaya, ewan ko kung kailan sila mag-open ng ano. I think maganda dito kapag operational na lahat yung mga ano ginagawa nila. I think they're making ano, Emma. It's gonna be nice. It's going to be nice when it's ano fully operational na.
Yeah, when nothing's closed.
Yeah, because they're still developing the place.
Why didn't we go somewhere else?
It's the closest one, Emma.
Really?
Mm. You only want something to go out with, you have to walk away like outside door.
Outside the universe?
Or kids and thoughts. Is there any zoo there? I think here, there's a flower field.
No receipt, no and
You can drink on your water.
no need to.
Self-service here, guys. Self-service.
No.
There you go. It's flowers. It's not poisonous, Emma. It's butterflies. Why don't you just enjoy? Oh, may papaya pa sila, oh. Masarap pang tinola.
Wait, is tinola?
Yeah. That's what they put in tinola. Okay, so here's the flower garden, eme.
We can't pick any.
Oh, look at that. It's a flower. There's a lot of flowers here. Like, Emma, can you put your sunglasses so you can... It's only a centipede. I know, that's a centipede. What do you call that?
Centipede.
Centipede.
There's so much of that.
Okay. Ganda nitong flowers nito.
All the baby flowers.
Ang bilis nitong mabuhay. Sa province, ang dami namin. So here. So what pinapakita namin is yung
I don't want to wear my sunglasses.
flower field area nila.
Look,
Okay lang.
right next to us is the adventure park.
We'll come back here when it's I think, Emma, this is okay to, you just come here to just have a walk, see the flowers,
We
see
can sit down
outside.
here and have a snack.
Hapon, siguro, masarap pumunta dito. Mainit.
Look.
Buti nga hindi masyado mainit. Ayan. We can sit here. But dito naman masyadong alam mo naman. Oh, yan, mga flowers
Why
nila.
do they say that there's no butterflies?
Ganda nitong halaman na. Buti na lang kahit
Ow!
midday, hindi masyadong
My
mainit.
face.
Kasi mahangin din. Pero itong alaga ko,
You have to pay to have some seats.
no. It's dirty. May mga ng ibon. Overall, it's okay naman. Okay lang naman na bisitahin. For 10 pesos, guys. My God.
This is what you get for 10 to 40 pesos.
Yeah. 10 pesos, Emma. 10 pesos each. Because, ma-entertain pa. Okay lang naman sa 10 pesos. Look at it. Kami ng bulaklak. Ma-entertain pa kayo sa it's a rubbish bin. Look at that. Look at that. Rubbish bin nila. Diba? Kakaiba. Ngayon ako nakakita ng rubbish bin na ganito. Char.
But so
It's for dog poop yata. May wishing well then. It's a wishing well, Emma.
I'm so hot.
There's a wishing well.
With my tadpole that I dead. See, the tadpoles died. Why tadpoles? They seem to really like tadpoles.
No, I think they just grew up there. I think there's a lot of frogs here. And the frogs just lay egg in the water, you know, just water like that.
Because they have nowhere else.
Yeah. So they lay eggs in the...
Let's go.
Medyo malawak din naman. Here, Emma, there's no way there. Here. You put your sunglasses so you don't... no. You won't feel like it's hot. And also your hat, what's the reason why we bring your hat?
I told you I don't need it. I didn't die.
Oh, there you go. There's two other doggies.
That will eat their own poop. So dark in here. With my son.
There you go. A flower.
Mommy, I saw something. It's like a huge tower. Mommy, look over here.
Yeah.
It's a big statue.
Okay. So that's the end of our tour. That's the end. A flower. There you go. Ito parang ano lang to sa ano namin. Sa likod bahay namin tumutubot tuwing tag-ulan. Flower. Okay naman. If you love outdoors and nature, I think okay. This is okay. Nagagalit na yung isa kasi nga sarado yung water park. Ano ba to? Ipil-ipil? Ipil-ipil ba to? Ipil-ipil, no? Ipil-ipil. Yeah, ipil.
There was something saying.
Maybe you're a dog. So that's the end. Tapos nalit kami sa ano, bilangguan. Oh! Ay, sa loob po? Okay. Okay. Come on. Operational na sila.
You get this for 10
Oh,
bucks.
that's fun, no? There's a thingy. There's a... what do you call that again?
Oxa. I don't know.
Ostrich. Say, oh.
Oxa.
What is it to do, ano?
Here, mommy.
Yeah. This is the zoo, small zoo. Pero we cannot go in. Okay, just sit down there first.
You have my food.
Okay. Food is in your bag. Okay, mag-rest daw muna siya. Pagod nakakalakad ang...
Mommy, did you bring any wet wipes?
Yeah.
Can I borrow some?
Oh, continue ang lakad. This is gonna be the zoo. But it's closed. Pero I think may animal na yun.
There's only one animal right now.
Mm.
An ostrich.
Oh, there's a little bridge. Ayaw po lang ahas.
What's that?
Ito dito.
Oh, alligator!
Oh, there's fish. There's fish there.
It's koi.
There's fish.
It's a koi fish. I hope.
Oh, may fish. Oh, may fish.
Right?
Yes. There's a lot of fish.
Right, mommy?
Yeah. I think dito dinadadalhin yung mga ano. Okay. This is the ano, little zoo.
Mommy?
It's gonna be the little zoo. Okay.
Mommy? Remember
Yun din.
we were in Singapore and there was like this lake and then there was like this tiny bridge that we had to walk over
Mm.
to get to the other side. I don't think it no.
Look at that. Oh, they're animals. Oh, yun, oh, may mga pato din.
Goose?
Goose.
Duck? Goose? I was just talking about duck.
Gusto.
That's my. That's now my snack.
Okay na mga goose. Habang alaga nila yata yan. Yan. Close naman ang kanilang zoo. So, lakad lang kami.
I don't know where my mom is at. You know that? But this,
So, ano yan? Marami namang mga ano. There you go. You wanna go up there? Sit there?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this part the train isn't closed, so now we have to go. Oh, that.
So, this is the train.
I don't think that's
Meron din silang boating eh, pero hindi pa close. We'll come back when it's ano. Oh, may area. Maybe parang botanical area dito. Ano sa pipi naman yun. Problema tayo. Ayan, nandito na naman kami. Going to the shelter. And the people's going to rest. Ano? Bigyan pa kasi for school performances.
Let's go
Nice.
sit somewhere here.
Look, there's a tea there, fountain there.
Finally, one that's working. Okay, let's go.
Yan, nakasit. You can go there, let me go.
Is there any 7-Elevens?
Oh, there's no 7-Eleven na. Go dyan sa ba, sit down and listen.
Because it's so lot of 7-Elevens.
What?
Look who grew up.
What?
Look who grew up.
Having headphones. Careful, it's slippery, I think, the ground.
I'm full.
There's another cat. I think she's asking for food, Emma.
Wait, let me see that. Oh,
What's food?
obviously, because there's standard here. I feel bad for Spain.
The way up. Okay.
The Spain cats are so skinny.
They don't have food, that's why.
So they go on an island. This is like chicken that the water's brown. There's tadpoles everywhere.
I can smell corned beef. Okay, I think this is way out
Wait,
now.
look. Can I buy something?
You wanna buy there?
So this
Mabilihan
is where
din.
they got it.
Yeah, you can buy food in here. Sari-sari store. What do you wanna buy? What do you wanna buy? Okay, you can buy if you want. An ice cream.
But you're not available. What? Watermelon! Ice pop!
You can ask if they have. Go and ask if they
Wait, I'm
have.
gonna choose which one.
Di makapili.
Should I
Meron
get
din
ice
tayong
pop
Korean
or
food.
watermelon?
So, if you feel like eating, meron din silang sushi.
Okay.
You want ice cream?
Mhm.
No?
Mhm.
You want or you don't want?
Mhm. Yes.
Okay, go tell the lady then. What do you want?
What is?
Watermelon?
Did it?
Ice pops or what?
I don't know. Wait, I don't know. Ice pops or watermelon?
It's up to you, Emma. You choose. Another one's gonna eat.
Try ice pop.
Okay, isang ice pop na po, please. Here we are in the butterfly garden, but there's no butterfly. So here, may nipahat doon. Here. So, ano to? Parang ano lang. What's this, Emma?
Fishy.
What's this?
Where's the
Parang
fish? There is fish. I saw fish.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. And ito yung butterfly house. You wanna check the butterfly house?
And we do it when I'm done.
There's no butterfly actually, so we don't need to go in because the grub is already here. Taking a picture of those ants. Yeah. Marami din namang plants na makikita pag pumunta ka dito. So I think okay lang napuntahan dahil walang mapuntahan. Kundi mall lang. So I think it's a good option din na pwedeng pasyalan. So yeah, that's it. It's the end. I'm not going inside. There's nothing to see. Come on, let's go. Kunti lang naman ang butterfly.
Brain feed.
So this is the close to the entrance.